Hello, virtual learners. So this is the third time I've made this video, which means I'd already colored my poem. I'm so sorry. I'm going to walk you through, though, what I did. So the first thing I did is I had two different color markers. You're going to need a yellow and then any other color that you can easily see through. Like, I can't use brown or black because if I color words that, I can't see to the other side. Okay, the first thing that I did is I used my other color marker and I looked for the chunk that I know right here. I-N-G, I-N-G, I can spell ing, it's I-N-G. There's an ing in ringing, there's an ing in bringing, I-N-G. Now, what I'm going to have you do is take that marker, that color that you chose, I want you to find all of the ing inside of this poem. So I have ing, 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 ing. If you need to, go ahead and pause the video so that you can color in those ings. Awesome. Okay, so now when I look at this word, I go spring. Push those sounds together. Spring. What's the word? Yes, spring. There we go. So I have spring, spring, spring. Now this is not spring. It can't be. It doesn't start with s. It does have ing in it though. Now this goes b. Building? Building doesn't make sense. This is one of those words that's not quite following the rules. It goes b. Building. What's the word? Building. Exactly. And then again, I have spring. Now I want you to get your yellow colored marker or crayon. We're going to go through and we're going to color the sight words that we know. Are you ready? What's this one? Is. How about here? To. Is. To. Oh my goodness, it looks like we have a pattern. Is this to? That's why I have to look at my words so carefully. It's not to. It's the word. A is the word. Ah, there we go. Is. Here we go. Now this one. Do you remember? W. If. With. And then I always have thought this word was kind of funny because it's kind of a longer word, but it goes lit. Put it together. Little. Oh, interesting. Okay, now I went through and I put a line underneath some letters that I know go together. O-W goes ow in this word. In this word it doesn't. So that's why I only put the line here. Ow and E-R-er. And then down here I put a line under the I-R because that says er. Of course, pause the video if you need to. Okay, now you'll notice that I used a third color. I used a crayon, because I found some rhyming words in here. It's a rhyming poem. I have grow. What's the word? Grow. Now listen to this one. M-O. Mow. Oh, grow and mow. Nice. How about this one? Nest. Push it together. The picture helps us too. It's a nest. How about this one? Rest. Nest, rest. Those words rhyme. Okay, we have learned so many things about spring from our poems. We have learned about rainbows, flowers. We love the spring, in the spring. Let's find out about what this teaches us about spring. Spring. Spring is flowers ready to grow. Spring is grass ready to mow. Spring is birds building a nest. Spring is busy with little rest. Great job on your poem today. Now you have a job. It will be your job to color the pictures that go along with our poem. I want you to make sure you're working really hard, those muscles in your fingers. Be very careful to make sure you're staying inside of those lines. All right, let's talk about the difference here. Let's say I have green for my grass. If I go really quickly, whoa, wait a second, that's not in the lines. But if I slow my body down, I take my time, look at what happens. I make sure, even as I was slowing down, I made a mistake. It's okay, but I'm going to do even better this time. Right on. There we go. Remember, 3 colors make my eyes go, wow. See what you can do with our poem, Spring. As you're coloring, practice reading some of those words. Great job today. See you next time.